All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. So it's a really easy program, it's free, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So stay tuned. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about Canva and how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. All right, so it's going to be a real quick video, but first, if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you find that this is of some value to you. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about this content, post them below in the comments and I will reply. All right, so there will be a link in the description for Canva. It is a free product and it's a product that I use. They do have a version that you pay for. It depends on what you're looking for and what to get out of Canva. Right now, I'm just using it to make my thumbnails for my YouTube videos, and you can see some down here. So when you first come into Canva, you're going to have to sign up for an account. And you can get a free version or the upgraded pro version. I'm going to show you the difference here in a second. So what we're going to be talking about is YouTube thumbnails, right? So we're going to go through here. You can see recommended, and they got all these different types. You can create a poster, Facebook posts, Instagram, Facebook covers, email headers, so much cool templates, right? And it just goes on and on and on. So we're scrolling over here to YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to select YouTube thumbnail. We're going to start with a blank slate, right? So when we come in here, this is going to ask us what we need to do, right? So we're going to come over here, and they have some predefined templates that we can use, and they're free. And as you scroll down, you get more and more free, and then you get into a pro version where you have to start paying for the different layouts, right? So you can see there's so many free layouts, right? So we could come in here and just pick a layout, or we could just make one of our own. I always make my own, but maybe for this, maybe we could pick this cool background. I don't really care for it. Let's just go ahead and make a blank. If I had a skincare product, maybe I'd use this, but let's see here, top 10 music. You can start seeing, right? You can start noticing, hey, this is kind of cool. Already pre-built stuff here, right? Now, what I'm going to do is come over here to, let's make the background blank. Let's go ahead and delete this. You can delete each element out of it. All right, so we're back to a clean slate. So we're going to start over, and we're going to go over here to background, and we're going to change the color to let's just use a solid orange background. All right, so we're going to do an orange background. So one of the cool things about this is you can just select text. I want to use this text. All right, so this is going to give me some text to use. Say I wanted to make whatever text I wanted to right here, right? I'm not going to put no text in here. I'm just going to leave it generic. You could think of however you want to put text. This is how I do things. You could take an element, and what an element is you could put this into a shape in the background. Let's look at different shapes. We're going to pick a square. So maybe I wanted to stick this text inside this square. All right. Let's move the square over here. Let's make it a little bit wider so we can put this text into it. Center it out. And it's going to tell you where center is. You see this line here. And then as you scroll down, it'll give you like the center of the whole thing, right? And then we can just bring this in a little bit, bring this in a little bit. We could play around with it, right? So there is our first piece, right? So another cool feature is you got uploads, and this is different things that you upload. I could be like, you know what, I'm gonna put a thumbnail for YouTube in this. So I'm gonna put the thumbnail and just smack it right there. You know what, I also want to put a picture of myself. And you've seen my pictures. So I'll stick a picture of myself in here. We'll just drop it down a little bit and shrink this up some. So you're all getting what I can do here, right? You know what? I want to move this up some. So I'm gonna move this up, grab the text. Oops. And you can see like how kind of cool and easy this is, right? So this is a thumbnail, right? So maybe I could be saying, you know what, here's my review of YouTube, check it out. And here's a picture of myself with the text. And then I just hit download and bam, I have a picture, right? That's as easy as it gets to making a YouTube uh, thumbnail. And guys, this is pretty cool. I know I didn't walk through exactly how to make a thumbnail, but thumbnails can be different for every single person, right? So I wanted to give you a little taste of what you can do with it, and what you may want to do with it is what you want to do, right? I don't want to give you guys any ideas. I want you to be creative and create your own content. All right, so I just wanted to give you this and share with you Canva. It is a thumbnail generator, a photo editor online, and it's free for you to use. And you've seen how fast it can be to create a thumbnail. All right. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, don't like, or would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below, and I will reply. All right, there will be a link in the description for Canva if you want to run over there and just get a free account. It's totally free. It's not an affiliate link. I know people freak out about affiliate links for some reason, like, oh, I don't want him to make money off my click. But seriously, guys, you need to get out of that stuff. All right. But there is no affiliate tied to this. It's just canva.com, the link in the description. Go there, sign up for your account, start creating videos and thumbnails. And I will see you on the next video. Peace out.